Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to run Pinterest ads for your Shopify store. Pinterest is a strong platform for visual content and brand discovery. It will be useful for your Shopify store. So, let's start. To begin, install Pinterest. To do so, just go to your web browser, then type in the search bar shopify.com. After the website appears, enter your account credentials and log in. Once logged in, go to Apps and search for the Pinterest app. You can search for it in the Apps and Sales channel, or you can search it if you want. If you don't have this already, you can search it in the online store. Click on the online store and search for Pinterest. And select keys. Now I can't install it because of a problem of compatibility, as Pinterest isn't available for all countries. But if your country is one of these countries right here, you'll be able to install it. Just complete the prompts and you'll install it successfully. Now after installing it, open Pinterest Ads Manager in Pinterest app and click on Create Ad. Select your campaign objective like brand awareness or conversions and choose the ad format and select your pins to promote. Finally, set audience and budget. Use Pinterest's targeting options like demographics and interests and set a daily or lifetime budget. Then review your settings and launch your app. And there you have it. You're all set to run Pinterest ads for your Shopify store. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further questions. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.